back to another video. So I'm taking you guys down memory lane with the artist collection since Soldier of Force Part 2 is dropping on Sunday. So let's go. Getting better at selling items that I even love because I would rather you guys have them. I have too much already. So these are some pants. You may remember they were blue and white, but I dyed them this blue color. And I also hand painted on them. And then I am going to pair it with this top. It was actually white, I believe, and I dyed it this blue color. And so the artist collection started with a 50-pound box of vintage 80s items from Hawaii that were damaged in some way, like discoloration, holes, things like that. And I had to find a way to kind of bring them back to life, kind of save them to be able to sell them on my site. So I decided to dye them, hand paint them, rework them in some way. So you have this first drop. It is kind of artsy crafty in not that great of a way, but I was just starting. I was getting my feet wet and I was tapping back into that artist that I was as a young child. And I'm so happy that I did because I feel like I'm growing in this sense. And I feel like this first collection just jump started where this whole artist collection will go. Artist collection is I take items from the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, and I either rework, dye, hand paint, any of that type of stuff to breathe new life into these. Dropping in this collection are inspired by Patrick Kelly. If you don't know who Patrick Kelly is, he was a designer in the 80s, a black designer. This is what I did. This peplum top. This is heavily inspired. You guys probably, this probably looks familiar to you guys. I had this in a haul in one of my videos. By the time I got to the third collection, I was a little bit more comfortable with pushing myself outside of my comfort zone, and I added accessories like shoes to this collection. Even though I still had my puffy paint on site and the splatter and all of that type of stuff, I wanted to do more of an edgy feel for this collection. I also leaned in with a theme, so inspired by Patrick Kelly in this collection. Even though I didn't do as many pieces that I wanted to that were inspired by him, I still had some type of theme to this collection. So I'm pretty proud of the third collection. Other stuff in the lot that I won, and you'll get, I think this is a trench. It is dirty. Is the reason why you definitely want to wash your clothes. And I soaked it in OxyClean as well as Dawn, and it is actually not black. I thought that I could do everything I wanted to do in one drop, in one iteration. I cannot. I need to style a piece from the artist collection presents Soldier of Force. I am styling the yellow submarine cropped camo jacket from my Soldier of Force drop. I decided to go with a light color jeans. So these are Free People flared jeans. And then I have a white lace bodysuit underneath. I pulled out my silver booties because of the shimmer in this jacket. Also, I have silver jewelry and my silver glasses. So this is the outfit with the yellow submarine cropped camo jacket from the Soldier of Force drop, part 1. There will be a part 2. Let me know what you think. The wait is finally over. The artist collection presents Soldier of Force drop part 1. It's out to explain the name, the title of the drop, which is Soldier. So a Soldier of Force is a person that battles through adversity to win the ultimate war of achieving their goals in life. Disclaimer, this is in no way a declaration or a political statement of any, but just be like the yellow and the spray paint. Then you have the purple. So the fourth drop, which is the Soldier of Force drop part 1 was where I found my stride. I was able to push myself outside my comfort zone, way outside. My mental health wasn't that great during this time period, but I used this collection as therapy, as a therapeutic release. So that is why I've done like more detailed artistry in this collection, and I feel like my best work came from this collection. I was able to collab with some great people like Felicia from BOK Media and Grace from So Lovely with Grace on this collab, and I cannot wait to show you guys part 2, which is coming out February 16th. So definitely stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see more from me, especially these amazing upcycles. So hit that subscribe button, hit it, and also hit that bell notification so you know when I drop part 2 of the Soldier of Force drop this Sunday. And yeah, just stay tuned for more styling, more thrifting, more upcycling, all of that type of stuff, because this is where you get thrifted, secondhand, and vintage fashion taken to another level. Holla at you guys later.